Hi, today I'm going to cover autofill option in VBA. So here I'm going to move on developer tab, Visual Basic. This is my module where I'm going to write the code. If you want to take another module, you have to go to insert and you have to click on module. This is a new module. If you want to check the module name, then you can go to Project Explorer is here. You can see here, this is a new module I have inserted. You have to double click here and start coding. Sub, what I want to do here, I want to autofill our function. Whatever function I will put in our cell, same function I need to drag up to last data. So here I'm writing macro name autofill example. First I will activate the seats. Which seat I'm going to activate? Student dot select. Write down the function, whatever function name you want to put in F2, you need to write the function name. So here I'm going to write some function. So in which cell I want to put? I want to put in F2. That's why I need to write here range F2 equal to inverted comma equal to some function I need to call. Bracket start, take reference of B2 to E2 to take calculation of all subjects in F2. B2 to E2. Here why I'm getting error? Because I have taken inverted comma here. No need to take inverted comma here. Bracket close, then need to take inverted comma here. Write down to fill up your function up to last data. So range F2 function, whatever function will be in F2, same function I need to drag up to last data equal to, not equal to, here you need to write dot auto fill. Then space, you can see here parameter is a destination. So in destination part, I need to take F2 to F20. F20 is last data. That's why I have written here F20. Bracket close, done. Now I'm going to write the now I'm going to execute the code. Sorry. Run this. Sheet is activated. You can see in F2 you will get some function. You can see here all subjects mark calculated in F2, and I'm going to autofill this function up to last data. You can see here that's autofilled. This is all about autofill. Thank you so much to watching this video.